What's good? What's up? What's going on? You're watching Simply As Nina, and you can't go wrong. What's good? What's up? You're watching Simply As Nina, and you can't go wrong. Yeah. What's good? What's up? What's going on? You're watching Simply As Nina, and you can't go wrong. Yeah. So today's video is actually just an update from my face mask episode 1, which involved me applying and actually making a Rhassoul Clay and apple cider vinegar face mask. So today's video is going to be short, and it's just an update to actually show you that you can use the leftover dried clay if you don't use, the whole amount that you make. So I'm just showing you that it's dry and it's, pretty hard. You can hear it. Use your senses. I'm just going to show you how to revive an old batch of Rhassoul Clay face mask, and it'll include the apple cider vinegar in it. It just dried up. So you take some warm water, and I'll show you a clip where I'm heating up a tea kettle. I'm just going to pour it in. Just let it sit in there. We're reviving it. I might have to add a little more. If you add too much, just add some more clay, because it's not going to go to waste. You can reuse it. And I actually did add too much water, so I'm just going to add some more clay. Okay, so this is how it's looking. And I'm actually just going to apply it and show you my before and after results. Now you can also tune into my face mask series episode 1 to see me apply this mask as well. Alright, so this is how the face mask should look. I left this on for about 30 minutes. So far it's pretty tight. That's how you know you've left it on long enough. It's dry. I could have left it on longer to let these pieces dry out, but I don't think you really have to. So like I was saying, taking a shower would be way easier to remove this. However, you can take it off in your sink. An easy step is to, moisturize your face. So get you a spray bottle with water in it and just spray your face to loosen up the mask, and then you'll be able to wipe it off. So like I said in my last video, and I actually think I cut it out, you can apply this mask not only to your face, you can apply it anywhere where you have troubled skin. Whew, almost drowned myself. Alright, now that I've loosened it up some, I'm just going to head to the sink and I'll show you how it looks once I take it off. Alright, and this is the after. And now I'm just going to follow up with my oils. And this is the after. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe so that you'll receive the notifications and it'll pop up in your feed every time I post. Stay tuned for episode 2 of my face mask series. I will be making a lemon honey face mask, which is good for lightening up scars and blemishes. So, peace.